Now let's practice the rhythmic pattern in 2/4 time signature. First, raise your arms to chest level like this. Not too high and not too low. Second, make sure to stand tall for better posture. So, better posture dapat siya like this. Let's try to practice Lupang Hinirang, composed by Julian Felipe, lyrics written by Jose Palma.